Today we are in Millstone Village subdivision at 1204 Polo Run. Come on guys, get in here and check it out. This home is your perfect first-time home buyer ranch or downsize ranch. It's got 3 bedrooms, all with walk-in closets, 2 full bathrooms, and you might have a little bit of updating that you want to do, but that is the fun money you can spend. You don't have to worry about anything else because this thing has the roof, the furnace and AC, the windows, the appliances, everything has been updated so you can move right in and enjoy. We're going to the park, we're going to the park, we're going to, yeah! I really love the amenities of Millstone Village neighborhood. You've got 2 neighborhood parks, you're close to the highway and all the commercial facilities, and you've got an awesome trail system that connects right to the Pufferbelly Trail. Woo! So come on out to 1204 Polo Run, don't miss this opportunity.